We are so fortunate to own this beautiful 46-acre piece of property. The project right now is to continue working on roughing in our driveway and creating a level build spot for our future barn slash shop and home. We already have the first 300 feet of our driveway complete with crush and run, but we've got about another 300 feet or so to go. I'll take you up top and show you where our build site is. Alright, so this is where we are at. We have the swale roughed in and most of the pad opened up. But we still have a lot of dirt left in the middle of the pad area. And that's what we're going to be working on now, is getting that out of here. We've been doing most of this work ourselves to save money. I think one of the biggest cost savings has been the purchase of this 1989 Kobelco excavator. We do have a dozer rental coming in about a week, so my main goal right now is to just get as much dirt as I can thrown away from this swale so I can get behind it and push it with the dozer. So that should give me enough room to get behind this with a dozer.
So we're renting another dozer and it's coming tomorrow.
So this is our dozer rental. It's a CAT D6N LGP. Now that we got the machine up here, the first job today is going to be to get this dirt off of our build site. is pretty awesome seeing this opened up all the way for the first time. I've got it pretty close to grade, but I'm going to get my machine mount unit and try putting it on the blade and see how close I can get it.